Hey guys, Nancy Ume here, and I want to show you how to make zucchini brownies. Now, this is a very simple list of ingredients. You have 5 wet and 5 dry. You want to make sure you have everything arranged on your surface before you begin, because this is a very super fast recipe, all right? Including preheating your oven and cleaning your baking tin or lining them with a parchment paper and washing your cast iron skillet. First thing you want to do is grate your zucchini. You could also process this in your food processor, take out the seeds, and make your applesauce. All right, in a bowl, add your eggs, your honey or your sugar, and vanilla extract. Mix everything together. These are your wet ingredients alongside your zucchini and applesauce. Applesauce is just apple boiled down with sugar. All right, add that applesauce into your egg mixture. Also add your cocoa powder and your flour and baking soda mix. Go ahead and mix everything together with your fork, but don't over mix. All right, you also want to add your zucchini. Fold it in very gently, and this recipe is so simple. Just use a fork. There's no big procedure to it. All right, just a fork is fine. Add your chocolate chips and fold it in gently. By now, the batter will be very, nice and easy to manage. So fold in your chocolate chips and then dump this entire mixture into your prepared baking tin or your, frying pan. You want to level out the top because we are going to sprinkle some chocolate chips, the remaining part, and then bake it at 180 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes until your toothpick, comes out clean. And what you're going to end up with is this delicious, beautiful bake. Guys, the children will love it. You would not taste the zucchini in it, and it's absolutely delicious. You could use cucumber as well and squash. This is a must try, and let me know if you would try it. Mwah.